The Creative Cataylst workshop is a continuation of the Art for Planetary Health efforts started with funding by the Prebys Foundation. When we were taking on submissions for that show, a lot of artists didn't know exactly how to successfully submit for an exhibition. Seeing that need brought up these workshops to provide those tools that artists need to seek out funding and confidently apply for submissions.
San Diego is one of the leading cities in the nation around life sciences. And that's because we've created an ecosystem where life sciences can innovate. I think the same approach should be taken for art. And so we are privileged to work with organizations such as the Fleet to create programs like this and to support programs like this. Every experience that we have being in community where we get to be in conversation helps us as funding partners to better understand how we can move the needle. I love to actually hear from the audience. Today, at one point during the panel discussion, we paused and said, okay, are we making sense? And everybody was like, overwhelmingly yes. So that means what we have to share as a community, it resonates.
The workshop was an opportunity to support the community that provides the work. I have a very young nonprofit, and so this has been really good for considerations and people I've got a chance to meet as I begin to take my hobby more seriously.
The mission statement of the Fleet is to realize a San Diego where everyone is connected to the power of science. The key word is everyone. This particular event, it's another way of us reaching everyone. And we never thought this program would be a small lift, but it has had so much momentum and it grew beyond what we thought it would. The entire effort was about increasing our impact in San Diego County, and it's a natural collaboration for funders or people who aim to perpetuate culture to work with the people who are, in fact, perpetuating that culture.
Arts and science are one and the same. If we can wrap our minds around what it takes to create a system and an ecosystem of creative thinkers, that directly translates to science innovation. So if we take that formula and apply it in the arts ecosystem and the creative economy, we're bound for greatness as a community.